Assalamu alaikum. Every day we say what we want to say, even if what we're saying does not correspond with what we want to say. Every day we say Islam is beautiful, but really we are not that dutiful. We say our Prophet Muhammad is wonderful, and we are not that humble. Oh, Allah is my Lord, but we disobey His laws. We say Jesus belongs to us, but we don't tell them with love. We say Islam means peace, not war. We need to explain that, but not with words. Quran will say it's the last revelation, but our attitude is in another direction. We want to make corrections with no sense of affection. We say Islam is very practical, but we neglect our daily ritual. We say we are the best of the ummah, but yet we neglected the sunnah. I want to die in Medina, amma bakada amana. I am poor and a Muslim, please ya Allah help me. But yet every day your pride is an increase. Alhamdulillah, I'm full of riches, yet your life is full of uncontrollable hatches. I use the hijab, the Muslim woman's garment, but yet that day you were caught stealing in the supermarket. I am on the stairs, my trousers is not for sock, but when you want to talk, you never say the haq. We complain every day that no fun in Islam, but wallahi in Islam, you can get your swags gingered. Jazakumullah khair.